Spring cleaning is a time-honored tradition and household practice that involves a thorough and systematic cleaning and organizing of one's home, typically undertaken in the spring season. This tradition is rooted in both practical and cultural reasons and serves as a way to refresh and rejuvenate living spaces after the long, cold winter months. The practice of spring cleaning has historical origins in many cultures. In ancient times, it was often associated with religious or cultural rituals, symbolizing a fresh start and renewal. As spring brings longer daylight hours, milder temperatures, and the promise of new growth, people have traditionally taken advantage of these favorable conditions to tackle deep cleaning tasks that may have been neglected during the winter. At its core, spring cleaning involves a comprehensive and methodical approach to cleaning and decluttering the home. This includes cleaning areas that are often overlooked in routine cleaning, such as baseboards, ceiling corners, behind furniture, and inside cabinets. It also encompasses tasks like washing windows, vacuuming and mopping floors, dusting, and cleaning upholstery and curtains. The goal is to remove dust, dirt, and grime that may have accumulated over the winter and create a fresh, clean environment. Decluttering is a significant component of spring cleaning. This entails sorting through possessions, identifying items that are no longer needed or wanted, and deciding whether to donate, recycle, or discard them. By decluttering, individuals not only create more organized and efficient living spaces, but also experience a sense of liberation and reduced stress. Spring cleaning often extends to outdoor areas as well. This includes tasks like cleaning patios, decks, and outdoor furniture, as well as preparing gardens for planting. For many, this is an opportunity to reconnect with the outdoors, nurture gardens, and enhance the curb appeal of their homes. Beyond the practical benefits of a cleaner and more organized living space, spring cleaning can have several psychological and emotional advantages. It can provide a sense of accomplishment and control over one's environment. A clean and decluttered space can also have a positive impact on mental well-being, reducing feelings of stress, and promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. Furthermore, spring cleaning can be a shared or communal activity, involving family members or housemates. It fosters a sense of collaboration, responsibility, and teamwork, while reinforcing the idea of taking care of one's shared living space. In some cultures, it's also an opportunity for bonding and storytelling, as generations come together to pass down cleaning traditions and wisdom. In recent years, spring cleaning has been modernized and adapted to fit contemporary lifestyles. Many people now incorporate eco-friendly cleaning products and practices, aligning with the growing awareness of sustainability and environmental responsibility. Additionally, the practice has extended to digital spaces, with individuals engaging in digital decluttering by organizing files, deleting unnecessary emails, and cleaning up their online presence. In conclusion, spring cleaning is a time-honored tradition that involves a thorough cleaning and organization of one's living spaces, typically undertaken in the spring season. Rooted in practicality and culture, it represents a fresh start and renewal after the winter months. Beyond the physical benefits, spring cleaning has psychological, emotional, and communal advantages, promoting a sense of well-being and connection to one's environment. It continues to evolve in response to changing lifestyles and values, incorporating modern cleaning practices and digital decluttering.